So what are we printing today? We're printing basically a hook that goes over your headrest in your car. They sell these. They're not even that expensive, but I figured I'd give it a shot at trying to design my own. We're going to print it in T-glase, which I have not printed in a very long time. It is a very clear PET-based filament, and it's one of my favorite filaments. It's fairly strong and gives you pretty good results, but you have to get it to stick to the bed. So it does require a heated bed, and it's kind of cold up here today. Hopefully it can print and stick well. We'll see, since I have not printed this in a while. So I would do all time-lapse and all that pretty thing, but this is a functional print, and I still haven't redone my camera mount on this printer, and because it shakes so much, it's hard to get a camera that does a good job. I used to use a cell phone and haven't gotten my GoPro to mount on there properly, so we'll see. Temperature of the filament you print at is higher than PLA. It's about equivalent to ABS. It's a little real time, so you can see how slow I have to print T-glase. About half the speed that I could print PLA and not get it all stringy. But this is real life 3D printing, not those nice fancy done in time lapse. So I am going to not bore you with this, and I'll check back here in about 30 minutes or so, and should be halfway done by then. Okay, about halfway done, maybe a little more. And I just looked up how many headrest hooks there are that you could have just downloaded instead of designing it yourself. And I like some of the other ones, some of the ideas. I was just basing this off of what my wife had showed me. The hot end is at about 230 degrees Celsius. My first layer, I always have hotter, so it was about 240. But it stuck fine, and if anything, it's going to be kind of hard to get it off of this bed. Just about done. The overhang was a little aggressive there, so a little bit of air printing, but and so there you have it. Holds the bag like it's supposed to.